Canola and wheat are crops that require precise and accurate harvesting processes to prevent crop loss. Canola yields are usually immense in April and June, so farmers target these months for effective harvesting. Direct harvesting is becoming more common with the availability of low shatter canola varieties, particularly in low and medium rainfall areas. A chemical desiccant is generally applied before harvest to reduce moisture content and control any surviving weeds. Pushing is a relatively new procedure for canola harvesting that has been suggested as a faster and less expensive alternative to swathing. A pusher is mounted on the three-point hitch of a bidirectional tractor, and it is driven through the canola at a relatively high speed to force it to lodge. The idea is that by pushing the canola over, it is less susceptible to blowing in the wind, which causes shattering. Although widespread experimentation with pushing is still absent, it appears that it may work better in some crop situations than in others. Tall, even crop growth works better with pushing. The idea is to push the stalks over, but not break them off or rip them out of the ground. Vertical sickles at both ends and directly in front of the tractor tire tracks are designed to ensure a clean cut between passes and reduce the amount of canola crushed to the ground by the tire tracks. After the crop matures, it is combined with a typical header. The combine must travel in the exact opposite direction of the pusher. The combine header also has to operate much closer to the ground than for standing canola. The combine is slower because of the additional stalk material that enters the combine. With the wheat crop, on the other hand, when the wheat plant reaches its final stage in the growing process, meaning it is dry enough and no green is showing, it is ready to be harvested. A combine is used to harvest the crop. Harvest and thresh high-yielding wheat varieties as soon as fully ripe, to avoid grain shattering. The harvesting of wheat can be started 5 days earlier than the dead ripe stage without adverse effects on the yield or quality of the grains. The harvesting can be done with the help of a serrated sickle manually or with the help of bullock-drawn reapers. Harvesting can also be done with the help of combine harvesters. These aforementioned harvesting processes are usually carried out by high-power, technical machines to make for effective and efficient large-scale processes. Today, we'll consider 15 of those harvesting machines. So let's dive right in. Number 15. Case in Axial Flow 9240 Combine Harvester. This is a combine harvester that is built to provide up to 466 kilowatts or 624 horsepower delivered from its powerful Case IH engine to the 21T Axial Flow 9420 machine. The Case IH combine harvester belongs to the more powerful machine segment in the combine harvesters category. The model's dimensions are 8.05 meters by 3.49 meters by 3.98 meters. The Axial Flow 9240 is manufactured and distributed with a chaff spreader, cabin, and chopper. It has been sold without ear stone trap, loss monitor, and rollover protection as of 2017. There are more detailed specifications and machine descriptions available in the original Case IH Axial Flow 9240 spec datasheet. This model can be acquired for a list price between €472,000 and €601,000. Production of the Axial Flow 9240 continues in 2017. For more detailed information about pricing and current residual values, check out various valuation systems online. At present, 12 other combine harvesters, which range from 124 kilowatts up to 466 kilowatts, are produced by Case IH. Of these, Axial Flow 8240, Axial Flow 9240, and also Axial Flow 6140 are the most used. Ranked in the Lectura Index at number 25, this Axial Flow 9240 combine harvester has models that date back from 2015 to 2017. Number 14. Macdon M205 windrower. The Macdon M305 windrower is powered by a 220 horsepower engine, Tier 3 Cummins diesel, which has a power bulge up to 230 horsepower. This is enough power to take on draper headers up to 40 feet wide if you need it. Operators can slow the engine down and match performance to field conditions with the Macdon's Intermediate Speed Control ISC electronic engine control system. ISC allows operators to choose one of 3 operating modes, improving fuel economy. The M205 is the first of an all-new model line the company calls its 5 Series. But there is more to this new machine than just a power upgrade. The M205 has redesigned air intake and exhaust systems for better performance. The intake uses a larger air filter, which allows for less frequent servicing. The new hood shape also improves airflow through the engine compartment. The comfort of use has been upgraded as well. The M205 features the new Ultra Glide cab with a 4-cornered independent suspension designed to provide a smoother ride. Macdon says it is using a proprietary new suspension for improved stability and to eliminate cab roll. Inside, operators will get access to more system instrumentation, including the ability to monitor the hydraulic fluid temperature. For forage harvesting, this machine can be combined with the R85 rotary disc mower conditioner header, which is an updated version of the R80 header. Number 13. New Holland 1090 Combine Harvester. This New Holland machine comes with a powerful FPT engine, the CR1090 RAWP HSCR 24.6T engine, which can provide up to 515 kilowatts or 690 horsepower of energy. That's some massive power right there. The dimensions of this model are 9.97 meters by 3.49 meters by 3.96 meters. This model comes with an air conditioning system, chaff spreader, and stone trap to enhance the condition of use. This particular model has been sold without air hillage leveling and all-wheel drive as of 2017. The grain tank size of this machine is 14,500 litres, so you are sure that you can harvest as much as you want in a single harvesting round. The transport length of this machine is 9.97 metres, while the number of cylinders is 6. Many users of this machine have attested to the fact that it can be used for superpower harvesting processes. Of course, why did it come with that huge horsepower in the first place? So, if you're into large-scale complex harvesting processes, you could use this machine. Other special equipments of the New Holland 1090 Combine Harvester include loss monitoring straw chopper and rollover protection. Number 12. Gleaner S97. This machine comes with the V1, V2 and V3 class sizes. The rated horsepower of this machine is 322 to 430, while the maximum boost is 398 to 471 horsepower. The grain bin capacity is 390 bushels and unload rate is 4 bushels per second. The threshing and separation area is 6,047 square inches, and the machine has a weight of 31,920 to 32,220 pounds. Let's take a brief look at its eye-catching features. The Vision Cab Operator Environment. This feature has 15% more volume than the Comfortech cab it replaces. The visibility is upgraded with a total glass area of 66 square feet, and the front glass area is increased by 22% to 32.9 square feet for unmatched visibility. With this upgrade, you're sure of premium comfort with ergonomic control while operating the machine. Feeder house optimization. Gleaner's unique natural flow process has been enhanced with several changes to optimize performance and improve feeding capacity in difficult crop conditions, such as heavy canola swathes and green stem soybeans, where uneven feeding can occur. The feeder house floor has been lowered by ½ an inch, and the feeder house runners and torque tubes were raised by 1 inch, resulting in better control of the crop and even feeding. The Gleaner S97 machine also incorporates automated drives, live yield mapping, Payton terminal, and an auto guide system, all to enhance your use of the machine and boost effective harvesting processes. Number 11. Case IH8250 Axial Flow Combine Harvesting. The Case IH Axial Flow 250 series leads the industry in reliability and efficiency, as many farmers would attest to. This machine comes with a 2-speed electric shift ground drive transmission, adjustable rotor cage vanes, improved feeder house design, and optional AFS Harvest Command combined automation system. The Axial Flow Combine Harvester is all built for a high-efficient harvest of your crops. For a functional feeding system performance, The 8250 series combines have a redesigned feeder house for improved durability and reliability in demanding crop conditions. An optional feeder, fore and aft faceplate control enables adjustments to be made from the cab. A redesigned feeder top shaft drive coupler features a crown spline design for greatly improved durability. A simple two-piece feeder floor design increases durability and improves crop feeding. Plus, up to 13,500 pounds in lift capacity helps handle even the largest chopping corn head on the market. Along with this functional feeding system, this machine has high-tech automation systems for improved harvesting. The threshing and separating systems of this machine are world-class, which is why many farmers use it for their grain harvesting. The residue management system of this machine is built to handle the tough residue associated with new crop genetics. This system delivers consistency across the larger header widths used on the Axial Flow 250 series combine, helps prepare the soil for next year's crop, and can create consistent windrow formations and long straw for baling. This machine has all it takes for efficient pre-harvesting and post-harvesting processes. Number 10. New Holland CR990. The New Holland CR990 machine is a combine harvester with an FPT engine that powers it with up to 420 kilowatts or 563 horsepower. The dimensions of this machine are 3.49 meters by 9.97 meters by 3.96 meters. This New Holland model comes with an air conditioning system, chaff spreader, and a cabin to enhance the conditions of use. This particular model has also been sold without air hillside leveling and all-wheel drive as of 2017. The grain tank size of this machine is 11,500 litres for a considerably huge harvest round. The transport length of this machine is 9.97 metres, while the number of cylinders is 6. Other special equipments of the New Holland 1090 combine harvester include loss monitoring, a straw chopper, and a cabin. The loss monitoring feature is especially good to improve your harvesting techniques and reduce crop losses. Number 9. John Deere S78 5i Combine. The John Deere S785 combines a 15.3 I-Power Teach PSS engine, a 426 kilowatt and 579 horsepower max power ECER120 with an integrated combine adjust ICA2, single rotor advantage, active concave isolation, programmable control center, and a new John Deere tracks with 39% bigger footprint. The best feature of this machine is its automated combination. With the excellent integrated combine adjust ICA2, this machine guarantees you the consistent output of the harvesting process, whatever the conditions, thereby achieving consistent grain quality and low losses in all conditions. This feature eliminates the need for regular manual adjustments as it gives operators the confidence their combine is operating as efficiently as possible. Independent tests have shown that the utilization of the installed combine capacity by the operator can vary by up to 20%. ICA2 takes away the uncertainty, giving you the optimum performance hour after hour, day after day. Once the machine is set up, ICA2 takes care of all the adjustments for the rest of the day. Number 8. Massey Ferguson 9T. This is one of the latest high-tech harvesting machines. It comes with an engine power of 483 kilowatts, standard tyres of VR870R38 and HR62070 R26s, an R threshing system, 600mm rotor, 17,100 litre grain tank size and a cutting platform width of 12.2 metres. The Massey Ferguson design is the first clean sheet design of a combine in 30 years. Interestingly, this machine was built based on the needs of crop producers, so you can trust its efficiency and effectiveness in giving you the best of grain quality. This machine has low compression and extra long rotors, which are gentle on straw to avoid contamination of your crop. The dual helix double rotor system on the MT9T boasts the largest main threshing concave area on the market, a massive 1.66 square meters, which is 25% bigger than any other combine harvester around. This build assures you get low grain losses at high output. In essence, you get more grain per hectare in your tank. Number 7. Class ALEXION 770. The Class ALEXION 770 combine harvester has up to 430 kilowatts or 576 horsepower delivered from its powerful Mercedes-Benz engine to the 18.2T ALEXION 770 machines. This harvester is part of the Superpower Combine Harvesters category with a 349-meter dimension. This powerful machine comes with a cabin, chopper and chaff spreader. An all-wheel drive loss monitor and rollover protection are provided on the 2018 and later versions. The standard tyres of this machine are of the 680x85 R32 and 500x85 R30 dimensions. The rotor width of this class ALEXION product is 445mm, while it boasts of a 12,800-litre grain tank. The cutting platform width is 9.3 meters. Number 6. Deutz Fahr C9306. The Deutz Fahr brand has been delivering quality in high-power combine harvesters for over 100 years now, so you can trust their products to achieve just what you buy it for. The C9306 series combines outstanding productivity with extraordinary versatility for large area applications, an elegant design, incredible comfort, and functionality for unparalleled harvesting performance with all types of crops. This is what makes this particular machine stand out. It is not restricted to grain harvesting. It does the job for all types of crops. This machine has high-performance cutter bars in standard widths from 5.4 meters to 9 meters, and with variable widths from 5.5 to 9 meters, which are a single piece for superior weight distribution and stability. This makes maximization of durability and performance possible irrespective of the cutting width. The large diameter feeder of this machine, which comes with broad spirals and helically distributed auger fingers, makes for continuous feed and product transfer. To make for a quality all-purpose machine, this machine comes with an effective harvest transport, threshing system, straw management, engine hydraulic transmission, and cab. Number 5. Fendt Ideal 10T. The Fendt Ideal 10T is ideal for your harvesting processes. This combine machine is designed to help you reach new levels of success with productive harvests. With this machine, you achieve more with less effort. This machine has a clear view of the header and in-feed, easy ergonomic steering, and a Superpower 790 horsepower. That's crazy! You can imagine how much you'd achieve with little effort. This machine has a larger threshing area when compared with average combines, together with a new ideal balance making for only the best harvest quality. The Fendt Ideal 10 features a MAN 16.2i engine with a maximum output of 790 horsepower, which meets European emissions stage 5. The powerful 6-cylinder engine is equipped with a turbocharger with variable turbine geometry. The VGT turbocharger helps maintain the maximum output and torque over a wide RPM range. Other unique features of this machine include joystick steering, conventional steering, cyclone cleaning system, and world-class ergonomic controls. Number 4. New Holland SR200 windrower. The New Holland SR200 windrower is a powerful harvesting tag that delivers world-class harvesting speed. It has an optional 3-range hydrostatic drive that produces transport speed up to a best-in-class 38.6 km per hour, making it one of the best choices when you need to take on harvesting processes in the fastest way possible. The SR200 model comes with an air conditioning system, chaff spreader, and a cabin for a comfortable and conducive operation. The grain tank size of this machine is 11,500 litres for a considerably huge harvest round. The transport length of this machine is 9.97 meters, while the number of cylinders is 6. Other special equipment of this machine include loss monitoring, a straw chopper, and a cabin. The loss monitoring feature is put in place to assist you in monitoring your harvesting procedures to ascertain areas of improvement. Number 3. RUSTCROSS 595 Plus. The RUSTCROSS machine enhances high productivity, versatility, gentle handling of grain and straw, intuitive settings, and a comfortable workspace. All these features make your harvesting work easier and more enjoyable. The machine comes with a high inertia threshing cylinder, which has the largest diameter in the work with one of 800mm, making it easy to get hold of a damp, weedy, or twisted crop material. The large diameter of the cylinder allows the concave coverage to be maximized up to 130 degrees, providing greater separator area of 1.38 square meters and a brilliant threshing geometry. With this build, you get almost 95% separation with exceptionally low damage. The rotor refreshing technology of the RUSTCROSS 595 Plus gives you gentle threshing of the remaining ears by reducing the number of impacts and friction, which is particularly important when the grass is cut for seed. In tilled crop applications, that's for crops like corn and sunflower. The refreshing speed is lowered by a dedicated sprocket, and a custom concave is available for grain legumes. Number 2. New Holland CR8090. The New Holland CR8090 machine is another powerful machine from the New Holland franchise. It comes with a massive 2100 RPM gross engine with 449 horsepower. This machine has an amazing maximum engine power of 2000 RPM with 490 horsepower. The engine model is of the FPT Cursor 10 build. It has a 10,075 square inch total sieve area under wind control. This New Holland product is very effective for fast harvesting as it has an unloading speed of 4 bushels per second. For an overall harvesting performance, this machine is top quality. Number 1. Cellmash Across 595 Plus. The Cellmash Across 595 Plus is another worthy power machine. With this machine, you get high productivity, universality, care of grain and straw, easiness of adjustments, and a comfortable workstation. This machine allows you to harvest more than 1,000 hectares per season, from early cereals to finishing with sunflower and corn. The Across 595 Plus comes with an inclined chamber that uses a unique decision accelerating beater and is installed at the transporter output. This chamber allows the harvester to get a series of operating advantages. Now, the mass is not only flattened but also accelerated before it is fed into the threshing drum. As a result, the load of the thresher is reduced and its capacity is increased. Brilliant technique. There is also a smart launch build for this model to reduce clogging risk to the minimum. And that's a wrap. It's been insightful and exposing all through. Do well to like this video, it gives us the motivation to bring more videos like this to you. Also, subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified as soon as a new video is uploaded.